The secret link, a diet to prevent lymphoma and diets to avoid. Did you know that some so-called healthy diets can worsen cancer conditions, especially lymphoma? When it comes to fighting and preventing cancer, nothing is more important than eating the right foods. This is because your diet heavily influences your risk of developing cancer. However, what many people do not know is that while some diets are effective in treating and preventing cancer, others are less effective in fighting cancer conditions. This raises an important question: what is the best diet to fight cancer? In this video, we will cover the diets you should avoid, especially if you are at high risk or have cancer, as well as the best diet plan for combating lymphoma. So let's get started. Ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is also known as the keto diet. It is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat, and moderate protein diet. It is a popular diet with several health benefits. By reducing carbohydrates in the diet, the body goes into ketosis, a state where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This metabolic switch has been shown to improve weight loss and blood sugar control. For some cancer patients, like those with certain brain tumors, the keto diet has been linked to depriving cancer cells of glucose, their primary fuel source, which can aid in slowing tumor growth. However, when it comes to lymphoma, the story is quite different. While it may be beneficial for certain brain tumors, the ketogenic diet is not suitable for lymphoma patients, especially those with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, or DLBCL. In fact, the diet's high animal fat content contradicts the recommended dietary approach for preventing DLBCL. The keto diet's fatty acid composition can also stimulate the growth of lymphoma cells, worsening the disease. This diet's restrictive nature can equally lead to unintended weight loss, which is a critical concern for lymphoma patients who already experience muscle wasting and weight loss due to their condition. In addition, the keto diet's high fat and low water content can increase the risk of kidney problems, which is a major concern for patients undergoing treatment. Alkaline diet. Another diet lymphoma patients should avoid is the alkaline diet. This diet has gained popularity as a potential cancer-fighting approach. It revolves around the idea that by consuming alkaline foods and avoiding acidic ones, the body's pH levels can be altered, making it less hospitable for cancer cells to thrive. But despite its well-intended foundation, the alkaline diet might not be the ideal choice for those battling lymphoma. Although the alkaline diet emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-dense foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, the diet's limitations on protein intake raise concerns. Protein is important for immune function, tissue repair, and overall health. As a result, restricting protein sources might weaken the body's defenses, making it more challenging to fight cancer cells effectively. Plus, maintaining adequate protein intake during cancer treatment is essential to preserve muscle mass and prevent unwanted weight loss. Another scientific concern lies in the claim that altering the body's pH levels can hinder cancer cell growth. While cancer cells do thrive in acidic environments, the human body has robust mechanisms to maintain a stable, slightly alkaline pH in the blood and tissues, regardless of dietary choices. This means the alkaline diet's proposed influence on pH levels is not actually necessary for the body to maintain its own pH levels. Budwig diet. The Budwig diet is bad for lymphoma patients and should be avoided. This diet was named after its inventor, a German biochemist named Dr. Johanna Budwig in the 1950s. Since its conception, the diet has gained popularity for its claimed benefits in cancer management, especially in slowing cancer progression. The Budwig diet emphasizes the consumption of polyunsaturated fats, such as flaxseed oil and cottage cheese, to stimulate cellular health and inhibit tumor growth. While this approach may seem promising, the Budwig diet poses significant risks for lymphoma patients. The high intake of polyunsaturated fats can lead to digestive issues, such as bloating, diarrhea, and stomach cramps, compromising nutritional absorption and worsening lymphoma-related gastrointestinal symptoms. Scientifically, the high omega-3 fatty acids of the Budwig diet can cause an imbalance with the omega-6 fatty acids, potentially leading to increased inflammation, which can fuel cancer growth and progression. Similarly, the Budwig diet's restrictive nature can lead to essential nutrient deficiencies, including protein and fiber, which are essential for immune function and overall health. For lymphoma patients, this can worsen treatment outcomes and reduce their chances of recovering from cancer. With that being said, it's time to reveal the best diet for preventing cancer, especially lymphoma. The Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has a long history rooted in the traditional eating habits of people living in the Mediterranean region, particularly in countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, supporting immune function in lymphoma patients, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy cell growth. According to a review published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, strictly following the Mediterranean diet has no side effects. The review also stated that the Mediterranean diet can improve clinical and supportive care outcomes of cancer treatments. In fact, research reported by CNN Health found that eating a Mediterranean diet was linked to a 5% reduction in the risk of dying from any cancer. Why is it so beneficial? All these health benefits are due to the Mediterranean diet's powerful ingredients, which include extra virgin olive oil, fresh fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts and seeds, fish, and whole grains. Let's understand how these ingredients work to prevent cancer and improve your overall health, starting with the most common. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, is perhaps the most popular and widely used ingredient in the Mediterranean diet. This oil is renowned for its rich nutritional profile and cancer-fighting properties. EVOO is abundant in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and polyphenols, including oleocanthal, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Research suggests that extra virgin olive oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to help prevent cancer, especially lymphoma, by reducing oxidative stress and cell damage. Additionally, olive oil has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and induce apoptosis, or cell death. To reap this oil's amazing benefits, consume at least 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil daily, but no more than 4 tablespoons per day. Legumes. For our next Mediterranean diet ingredient, we have legumes. They are a unique blend of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein, all of which are cancer-fighting nutrients. Examples include chickpeas, kidney beans, and lentils. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates provide sustained energy, while their fiber content aids digestion, manages weight, and supports heart health. The plant-based protein in legumes also contributes to muscle maintenance and repair, bolstering the body's resilience during lymphoma treatment. By incorporating just 3 servings of legumes per week into your diet, you can harness their potential to effectively prevent and battle lymphoma. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Next up, we have fresh fruits and vegetables, which offer a powerful defense against cancer. Examples of these nutritional powerhouses include citrus fruits, apples, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and colorful berries. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, anthocyanins, and fiber, which makes them highly equipped to fight cancer. The anthocyanins and other phytochemicals in these foods have been shown to neutralize free radicals, reducing cell damage and inflammation, which can contribute to cancer development. So aim for 3 servings of fruit per day and 2 cups of vegetables daily to maximize their potent health benefits. Starchy vegetable. Stepping into the spotlight are starchy vegetables, which are nutrient-dense powerhouses consisting of sweet potatoes, yams, peas, and corn. They are abundant in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins A, C, and K, all of which play an important role in cancer prevention, including lymphoma. Let's take fiber, for example. It aids digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and supports weight management, all of which help reduce the risk of developing cancer. It's easy to benefit from the protective properties of starchy vegetables by just incorporating 3 to 6 servings into your daily meals, and you'll be on the right path to a healthier, cancer-free life. Now, let's dive into a crunchy and flavorful component: nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds add the perfect crunch to the Mediterranean diet. These include almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, as well as phytochemicals and antioxidants such as polyphenols. These polyphenols can inhibit the activity of enzymes that contribute to cancer cell growth and spread, thereby preventing the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumor growth. This process is known as anti-angiogenesis, and if you want to reap this benefit, consume at least 3 servings of nuts and seeds weekly. Fish. Fish are another delicious and big part of the Mediterranean diet. They include salmon, sardines, and mackerel, which not only offer a wealth of nutrients, but also serve as a powerful weapon against cancer, particularly lymphoma. Fish, especially those abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, possess anti-inflammatory, cardioprotective, and cancer-fighting properties. In addition, fish provides high-quality protein for muscle repair, vitamin D for bone health, and various micronutrients that support overall well-being. Aim for 3 servings of fish per week to harness the potential of fish in your cancer-fighting journey. Whole grains. Finally, we have the versatile whole grains, which are a fundamental component of the Mediterranean diet. Examples of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and whole grain pasta. These nutritional powerhouses are loaded with fiber, polyphenols, including vitamins E and B, which are linked to reduced inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are associated with lymphoma development. The high fiber content in whole grains has been shown to reduce the risk of lymphoma by promoting regular bowel movements, reducing inflammation, and binding to harmful toxins in the gut. Consuming whole grains daily, with a recommended serving size of 1 slice of bread or 1 ounce dry cereal, can help protect your body against lymphoma. Lymphoma patients should avoid the ketogenic diet, alkaline diet, and the Budwig diet. Instead, opt for the Mediterranean diet to combat lymphoma and improve overall health. Click on the video showing on your screen right now to learn about another important topic for a healthier, happier you. See you there!